everyone. Welcome back all of you in my YouTube channel. I am Leena. And you know very well, life is all about thinking good, living good, listening good and learning good things. So keep learning good things with Leena ma'am. And today I am here with a new topic that is, you know very well, you always confuse how to start our English. Yeah, each and everyone know about English is very important language nowadays. Speaking English is very most. But where to start? How to start? So today I am going to give you the 4 tips. So you will start your speaking in English. So how it is? Let's get started. In order to learn English, 4 things is very important, which they are LSRW. Yes, LSRW. What is mean of it? What is mean of LSRW? Yes, if you command on LSRW, so you can speak fluently in English. So what is mean of L? L stand for listening. You know, listening in English is very important things. If more you listen, more you will be comfortable in English. The second is LS. S means speaking. S, speaking. Speaking is very important. Only listening and you are not trying to speaking in English. So how it will be? So you could not. If you will not try to speak, you never achieve your goal. So speaking is also very important thing. And third thing is R. What is mean of R? That is reading. Reading is also very important. So reading in English. So reading plays a vital role to improve your English speaking. So how it is? So I am going to tell you in this video. So watch till end this video. Those who are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel if you like is. Watch this video till end and subscribe my channel. For more videos you can check link given in the description box. And last but not least, and our 4th number, what is important part is W. W stand for writing. Yes, WRITING. Very important part to speaking in English, to be fluent in English. If you write more, and then you will be comfortable to speak more in English. So as well, writing also very important in order to learn English skill. So how? So I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna tell you in this video how to develop your SLRW skills. So let's see. So our first skill is listening. Listening is very important. Actually on listening I have made already a separate video. You can check this video and you will get idea what to listen, how to listen. So I will not talk much on listening. So next is, so how to start your speaking in English. That is very important because this is your practical. You know, so how to start speaking. In order to start speaking in English, you must know the small sentences, and I know that, I'm sure you already know about that, and each and every one we are using, but most of the time we are using in our mother tongue. If instead of your mother tongue you use the short words in English, for example, you can ask your friend, are you free? आप free हो क्या? तू free आहे का? Like that you can ask in English, are you free? Do you have time for me? तुला माझ्याकडे देण्यासाठी वेळ आहे का? आपको टाइम है क्या? You can use small things. You can use small sentences with your friends and you can start your speaking in English. So small sentences plays an important role to speak in English and it will develop your confidence. And if day-to-day life, in day-to-day communication, if you will start the small words, if you will use it in your communication, you will feel confident and you will get that confidence to speak in English. So this speaking is very important, and very soon I will make a video on small sentences. So please watch this video also. And speaking plays an important role, you know very well. So you have to start speaking from today itself. And our next skill is reading. So you have to read lot of things. So how you will read it? You just try to read notice. Wherever you go, everywhere notice is there. So under CCTV, no parking, lot of notice boards are there. So you have to read in English notice as well, in Marathi or Hindi, whatever it may be. You have to read that also. So you will understand that what they have written, and you will understand in English also if you will read in English. So prefer to read in English all notices. And as well, whatever the message you are sending, your friends are sending on WhatsApp, wherever it is there on social media, just try to read all the full message. Though you understand or not, you just try to read the all message in English and try to try to send and write in English all the messages, whatever you want to send to anyone. So you just create all English environment, then only you will be in right track. So you automatically speak in English. Or reading, if you like to read cartoon books, story books, whatever you like, fashion magazines, whatever magazines, newspaper, just try to read in English. And on social media also many newspapers are there, story and everything, audio books, whatever books library is there, you can read in English. So it will improve your vocabulary, you will think in English. And most important things, in order to learn English, don't learn English in your mother tongue. That is very, very important. What we are doing mistakes, we are learning English through our mother tongue. If you want to learn English, you just learn English with English only. So you just don't think I means me, main. You means tu. Why? You just think in English. I means I in English only. You means you. And I know that it's very basic, and you can understand what is I, what is me, what is he, what is she. So you just don't learn in English through your mother tongue. That is very, very important. If you want to learn English, just listen English and try to learn English through English only. So then you will learn English immediately. So it will not take too much time. So very, very most important thing, if you want to learn English, you have to learn through English only. And if you want to learn English through English, so you just start listening and learning English. Those person, whatever those are speaking in English, and you can understand immediately. In simple language, you just don't learn English from foreigners. Just start learning from Indian people, so you can understand immediately whatever they are talking, what's their accent and pronunciation. So immediately you understand what they want to say, and if you understand, you will get interest to learn in English. And so our next very, very important skill is W. W means writing. Yes, writing is very, very important as well. So if whatever you will do in whole day, you have to write in diary at night. If you will try whatever grammatical mistakes are there, let it be, but just try to write in English 5 sentences starting, and then 10, 15, 20, you just increase your sentence. And I know that you have that basic English, you know the basic English, how to start, how to write at least 5 sentences. Yes, I go there, I saw these things. You can write, and if you will write from starting simple, then automatically you will improve. So just try to write in English. That's all in today's session. I hope you enjoyed and you like this video. And if you like this video and you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please give thumb and subscribe as well. Press bell icon for news videos notification. So we will meet with new video with new topic. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.